Hello, Julia.
Hello, Anna.
Very nice to see you.
I'm happy too.
So, tell me about your company. Where do you work?
I work in a very big company.
Big.
Yes, it is a trade law company. We have many offices in Russian cities.
What cities?
It is Samara city, Rostov-na-Donu city, and we have office in Ukraine.
Ah, so it's a big business.
A very big business.
Trade lock. Something about locks. Yes?
We do safety locks for houses and offices.
Safety locks. Aha, I see, I see. And what is your position?
I work in an account manager.
Account manager.
Yes.
What is it?
I work with customer.
What do you do?
I take orders. I do paper processing. I control shipping. And I work with faulty goods.
Faulty goods. So sometimes you have problems with your goods.
Sometimes, yes, we have problems
With locks.
with locks and the customer.
Customers. And if you have a problem, are the customers angry?
Sometimes, yes, they angry.
Very angry.
Very.
Oh, I see. I see. So you are busy person.
Yes, I'm a very busy person, but I like my job and I want to build my career in this company.
So, Julia, good luck
Thank you.
with you and safety locks.
Thank you. Good luck.
Thank you.